monitoring and management tool. So this tool basically helps the DevOps team to streamline their operation. So when we have a very complex applications with various components running, it becomes very crucial to monitor all the health of all the components based on various parameters. So we have this tool with the features which helps us to achieve this very swiftly. So what is the idea behind this tool? Basically, when we have a very big application with various components running, it becomes necessary to see the status or health of all the components. We should be able to start, stop, or restart any of these components at given point in time. And when we are monitoring the health of all these components, if at all any parameters such as CPU or memory usage has gone or beyond a threshold level, there should be a system where we could send a notification to the concerned person through an SMS or via email. So, in order to look at all these problems, we have this one-stop solution of this tool where we have a comprehensive dashboard which will give us the idea about the total components that are running, the health of each components, and also we would have various graphs to visualize all these parameters. At the same, we have used the Zabbix as an comprehensive integration tool for having this graphical interface. But at the same time, we can also use Tableau instead of Zabbix. Now, if I have to tell you in short that what this step helps us in doing is this not only helps us to streamline all the DevOps operation, but it also gives us an ability to search beyond the threats, the misconfigured settings, the unreasonably lenient jobs, and permissions and consistency with the norms like HIPAA, GDPR,